Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is the 23rd. We have got very limited news, although grain markets are trying to work a little bit higher. We went home on Friday. There were talks that China had canceled these farm trips that they were to go on. And now we're hearing kind of a different story today, that it wasn't China that canceled them, that it was more the U.S. that had done that. A lot of back and forth stories. So, of course, on Friday, we went home with the market having the idea that maybe these trade talks were not going as well. Well, now we're starting to hear that maybe it's still okay. It's a lot of back and forth. Thing is, though, don't look for this to be done. We've got a long road ahead of us on these talks. Can we see some purchases out of this? Where are we at with it all? This is going to probably get kicked all the way to the election. And so we have to look at that and say, okay, where are we? This back and forth has just got these markets on edge. But the thing is, on December corn, can we take out this 374 and a half, 374 and 3/4? That's been this high that we've had here last week. Can we see a higher week higher? Can we start to do that and generate some more buying in here? Maybe some technical buying, maybe short covering from some funds that are short right now. That can give us a little bit of a boost. But the thing is, though, is that what do we do around this 390 level? You've got a gap in the chart up around this 392 and 3/4. We need to be careful as this market approaches those levels as well. So hopefully we can continue to generate some buying in this market to give us a little bit more of a boost. Right now, there is no threatening weather out there. There's nothing in the way of frost yet that is a concern. And then, of course, we know how trade talks are going. They're just talks. Sometimes this week, though, what we're going to end up hearing is where are we at as far as Japan? There's been a lot of chatter here last week talking that by the end of this month, we should have a deal done with Japan. Let's hope we see something. We need to get some kind of deal put together. And so that probably will hit some news wires here. If we can get that done, that should be supportive for our markets as well if we can realize a trade deal with Japan. So keep that in mind. Other than that, very limited news, not much going on. Outside markets are relatively quiet here this morning. We'll let you guys know if anything changes, but give us a call if you have questions. We're always here to help you out. But you guys have a great day out there. We'll chat again with you tomorrow. Take care.